bad transplant can slow your plant down for days, sometimes even weeks. But if you get this part right, your plant will barely even notice it got moved. In the last video, we got the seeds planted and we got our seedlings going. Now, I'm gonna show you how I get them moved over to their final home, this big 20-gallon pot. And I'm gonna show you how I transplant without overcomplicating it or stressing the plant out. And if y'all are new here, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. It tells YouTube I'm not just in here talking to my plants.
Yeah, it's THC rich, got the tips and the tricks. Plant game strong, watch the buds get thick. KC roots, yeah, I'm planting my claim. Organic flow, no pro, just a bro in the game.
All right, first thing I gotta take care of, I gotta get this cover crop chopped and dropped. This cover crop already did its job. It helped protect the soil, keep the moisture in. Now I'm just basically recycling it back into the soil. Think of the chop and drop like free mulch. We're feeding the soil while it's protecting at the same time. Now that we got the cover crop chopped and dropped, it's time to make our transplant hole. And I'm just gonna use the cup that the plant is in to form the hole. Using that solo cup to form your hole helps make sure that your plant fits perfectly into its new home instead of just guessing. Well, stuff like that can make this whole process easier. Now we actually gotta get the plant out of the cup. So what I do, I like to take my 2 fingers, put them around the bottom of the leaves, and I don't know if you can see that, but put my fingers just like that. And then I take the cup and flip it upside down and just gently squeeze the sides of the cup. You don't want to yank the plant out. That's how you damage your roots. Look at those roots. Nice and healthy. Like I said earlier though, I wish I'd have did it a couple days ago, but ain't nothing wrong with this right here. Now I just want to gently drop it into the hole. I want this process to go smooth with low stress. The less stress your plant has during transplant, the faster your plants keep growing. Now I'll just use that dirt I dug out to make the hole to fill back in around it. Then I just gently pack it all down. Keep it gentle though. You don't want to smash it. All right, transplant's all done. Now I just gotta water it in. Every time I water when I transplant, I like to use this Rootwise Mycrobe Complete. I really like this stuff because it has mycorrhiza and beneficial biology in it. Basically helping the roots just settle into their new home. And if y'all want to get some of this Rootwise Mycrobe Complete, you can get it at buildasoil.com. Also, if you use discount code THCRich_KC, you'll get 5% off. But y'all know I gotta keep it real with y'all. If y'all got a local grocery store, support local, go there. Also, it'll probably be cheaper there. Grocery stores buy in bulk, so they save on that expensive shipping cost. And if y'all don't have one of these watering wands, go get you one on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. I really like these watering wands because you can run clean water through it when you're done and clean it out. After transplant, I'm aiming for about 75 to 85 degrees and around 70 to 75% humidity. You still want to make sure your plant is warm and comfortable until those roots get established. I'm also going to turn my light up a little bit. I'm going to bump the PPFD to about 350 right now. Again, once the roots get more established, then I'll start cranking the lights a little more. But this is where a lot of people mess up. You don't have to blast your plant with light just because your light can do it. You're trying to encourage the growth, not force it. So around 350 PPFD, that's cool for me around this stage. So quick recap. We did a chop and drop on the cover crop. We made a clean transplant hole. We gently took the plant out of the solo cup and then transplanted it into its new home. We watered everything in with some Rootwise and we made sure our environment was in check. So that's it for this one, y'all. The plant's officially in its final home. Now we just gotta let it all settle in, and then I think we'll start to see some real growth. In the next video, I'll show you how I take care of this girl in early veg. And don't overcomplicate this, y'all. Half the battle is just keeping the plant comfortable. Until next time, smoke good, do better. Peace.